Okay.
A ni'n fyw! Croeso i'r stream! A ni'r mic fi gweithio. Ie, mae'n really uchel. Gada fi troi hwnna lawr. Yay!
Okay.
Nawr roedd ddim yn
Cool.
chwathu lan eich clustog. Na, dim clustog. Clust.
Ddim clustog, clustiau.
Clustiau, ydy hwnna? Ie,
Clustiau, ie, clustiau, ie.
Clustog.
Dyna ni.
Oh. Anyway, croeso i'r stream pawb. Heddiw ni'n mynd i fod yn
Ie.
chwarae yr FMV newydd. Wales Interactive.
Ooh.
Mia and the Dragon Princess. So bydd hwnna'n... Mae'n edrych eitha cool.
Ie, edrych ymlaen eto hwnna.
Actually, gafon ni newid y sgrin i'r un hwnna. Ydy'r game audio dod trwy? Ie, mae'n... Wedi gallu gwneud e.
O, perffaith. Ie, ie. Really good.
Mae popeth yn just gweithio trwy gyntaf. Nice.
Ie.
Hwnna'n...
Rhy dda.
That's a first.
Ie, ti'n iawn.
Right, beth ni gwneud fan hyn? New game. Oh wait, oes na streamer mode? Oh well, never mind.
Rhy hwyr.
Yeah, really good. Stream mode's usually just like cymryd a timer span ydy e, or decisions.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Our story starts hundreds of years ago. When the
Oh,
only daughter
cyffroes.
of an 18th century aristocratic family who was betrothed to Javanese royalty renounced everything. Her
Okay.
title, her riches, much to her family's displeasure. She was Marshanda Damayanti, the princess pirate.
Oh, yes. Ni'n hoffi mor ladron ydyn ni. Come on.
Heck
Pwy sydd ddim
yeah.
eisiau stori mor ladron? Dum dum da da dum dum da da dum dum da da dum. Ooh.
Hey, Siamai yr alwad. Croeso i'r stream.
Croeso, croeso.
She fled a life of confinement to live unchained and unfettered, plundering the South China Sea, where she formed a new family. A loyal crew of women she saved from the shackles of servitude or title.
Okay.
It was on the high seas she forged a friendship with the notorious pirate Red Cat Morgan.
Red Cat Morgan.
They ruled the waves, becoming each other's only true ally. But their past was never far behind. Victims of their ravage, hell-bent on tracking them down, wanting retribution in blood.
Okay.
When her pursuers eventually closed in, Marshanda entrusted her share of the riches to Red, who in turn gave her a wrist device that would lead her back to Red
A
and the
wrist
treasure.
device.
She then headed towards the frozen waters of the Antarctic, so desperate to escape that she went somewhere no one would dare follow. But tragically, her ship was lost to the ice,
Oh.
Oh,
lost for
dear.
hundreds of years. Until
Oh,
now.
na.
Oh, hwnna'n...
So-
hwnna'n
O,
bright.
paid dweud bod hi'n cryogenically frozen neu rhywbeth dros y cannoedd o blynyddoedd. Na, come on.
Oh, na. Mae'n just codi lan.
Waw, am dechreuad. Mae mewn rhyw fath o... O, mae wedi bod yn yr ysbyty, ddo. Chwarae teg. Nes i gweld o'r go,
ni'n
gawn.
chwarae FMV newydd. Wales Interactive.
Ydy, mae yn swnio'n gawsog iawn, ti'n iawn. Ie, mae'n edrych fel mae wedi cachu hun, ond ni ddim yn gwybod eto quite beth sydd wedi digwydd. Neu
O,
fe
ie.
twll... Fi ddim yn siŵr, fi ddim yn siŵr. Lle gwaed, fi ddim eisiau... Ie.
Mae'n bod yn pirate when codi lan mewn bloody Llundain.
Oh god. Oh wow, edrych cwmpawd special. Fi eisiau un o nhw. O, paid dweud, weles i rhywbeth yn dweud The Frozen Fortune, so paid dweud bod e fel Night of the Museum style-y. No, paid. O, bydd hwnna'n ridiculous. Gwaed o'r twll-tîn anlwcus bad. Oh, yeah.
O, na.
Waw.
O, edrych. Hwna'n ar y
Okay.
wrist hi. Hwna'n un symbol.
Ie, ydy. Falle mae'n gweithio fanna? Na.
O, edrych. Mae'n cael ei galw princess.
Ydy. O, fi di bod i'r restaurant yna, fi'n credu.
Excuse me, hwnna ddim y dress code.
Na. Oh. Mae hi ddim yn dda iawn at ei job ydi.
We have one of those homeless again.
Stewart.
Get Mr. Watts down here immediately.
Ah. Oh, wow. Bwyd. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Mae'n gwybod.
Oh. Cael hwnna.
Martial arts. Jesus, tap dancing Christ! Oh my god.
Glass him.
Brawddeg.
Yeah.
Jesus, tap dancing Christ. Oh my gosh. Be effer ydy Daz Black yn neud yn y game? Fi'n gwybod. Pwy yw Daz Black?
Pwy di hwnna? Oh,
Fi
the
ddim yn
roses.
Oh, come on. Mae hwnna mor funny. Come on, Gary.
Teaser, Gary.
Come on, Gary, bud.
What?
Oh my gosh. Oh, fi'n caru hwn yn barod.
Yes.
Oh, am dechreuad.
Heck yeah.
Oh, brilliant. You didn't pay for that spring roll. Just class.
You didn't pay for that spring roll.
The restaurant owner.
Ydy hwnna
Oh,
Mr. Walsh.
Alright. Dyn oedd y thing just nawr, YouTuber yw Daz Black, miliwn neu dau o dan ysgrifio. Oh, okay, cool.
Oh.
Nw'n ni edrych e lan. Backpacking when you're really skint. Okay.
This toilet is blocked again, and I've got a big meeting with this finance tosser Collins. He's in the bar.
Ah, so dyma'r y merch chi'n trio ffeindio.
Aha.
You know, sometimes
Mia.
I think it's a sign. You know, sometimes I think you want me to lose this bar.
Oh, God.
I can't afford to get covered in feces.
Get Eddie to do it.
Ed, I can't.
Wel, beth di hyn?
Then he gets all the cocktails
Oh,
covered in
God.
feces.
Help him or don't help him?
He's a liability.
Help him.
Ugh.
Fine.
Go on.
Do it, give it.
Oh, I love the way you unblock a toilet.
What?
Oh, wow. Oh, taser. Yeah.
Mae'n heavily yn just
Gang-
dump o'r taser mewn o trash.
Yeah, exactly. Os unrhyw point and click adventure game wedi dysgu ni unrhyw beth.
Oh,
Oh, my
mae'n dal
god.
attached.
Mae'n stuck i hi.
Ydyn ni gallu... Sorry, we're angen... Ydyn ni gallu troi streamer mode arno? Oh, na, does dim streamer mode.
Oh. Oh.
Oes na streamer mode? Streamer mode, yes!
Oh, streamer mode,
Pause
yes.
choices.
Come on.
Alright, dyma ni.
Diolch beth.
Yngdi,
You go.
Nagti o po o ra.
Oh,
Alright.
I don't speak.
Iki lo ro.
Can you speak English? You're hiding for something, is that it?
Yeah.
It's going to be okay.
If I was, like... Okay.
Yeah.
Gary!
Seen a woman run through this way just now.
Yeah, dweud...
Yes, she's very dangerous.
Help the woman. Help the woman.
Yeah.
Help the woman. Fi'n credu.
Mae'n edrych mor intense.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
She's taken a bang my arm, but it's fine. She just left. You might still be able to catch her.
Piss off, Gary.
Come on, Gary.
That was so exciting. I've never lied to the police before.
Oh my gosh.
Are you an escaped killer on a violent rampage?
Obviously.
Let's just get you inside. Hey, there's food inside. Food? Pangan. Oh, aku lapar loh.
Be kind.
Be kind, fi'n credu.
Get inside. Get inside, come on.
Here, take this.
Di hwnna, M&M.
Neu, efe Matrix. Blue pill.
Good, good. Good. Oh no, don't.
Oh. 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 Beth oedd y mwd na fe? Oh, gosh.
Something gonna be gaggle fan. Ugh.
Oh.
Why don't you just dial a taser?
Yeah. Oh. Mae hi di arfer gyda fel amladd a stuff,
Yeah.
so...
So for enw hi yn Mia hefyd. O na, falle hwnna ddim yn enw yr...
Na, falle dyw hwn ddim
Y
y
merch
môr
hi.
leidr. Achos, beth oedd e? Cat Morgan oedd yr un arall.
Cat Morgan oedd hwnna na, ie.
Ond, efe...
Time to distract Eddie.
Ie, ni di drosi hefyd. Paid poeni, fi'n credu nhw wedi gwneud hwnna ar bwrpas. Ond... Be subtle. Subtle.
Ie, pam wedi bod destructive?
Na.
Skip saying you fix toilets.
Oh, what? No, I said you should do it.
What? I don't think so. Here. Hop to it. Off you trot.
Off you
A mae'n
trot.
clyfar.
And don't forget to wash your hands this time.
Oh, god. Fi bach yn
Oh.
coci yn dwi?
Ie.
Mae'r gach ma fel fod ar cyffuriau eto. Yeah. God. O, mae'n offi fe. O. Ond mae mor leidr, so mae di arfer gyda afer a stuff e. Fi'n tybio. Oh.
Whoa.
Oh. Oh.
Wait a minute. Beth yn nhw...
Oh. Oh?
Beth oedd nhw... Oedd nhw... Okay.
Yeah, fi'n credu oedd e yn be oedd ti'n meddwl oedd e, yeah.
Twitch, please. Nid rhaid Flint.
Oh dear. Ah, hen llun. Just so happens bod e... Fanna.
Examine the painting.
painting.
Hide the woman.
Be ti'n meddwl o?
Ti'n meddwl hide the woman? Ie, edrych ar y painting, come on.
Yeah. Nes bach o hanes.
Yeah, I like it too. Skip's great. No, great.
Oh, pa i dweud bod nhw'n perthyn i'w gilydd.
Reach your destiny, you must leave the shore.
Ah. Audio to unlocked.
Spy?
Come on.
Garrett.
Garretting. Beth yna byd. Os mae hi fel fi di arfer dy rwm a rwm.
Mm. Oh, mae rhywbeth.
Ie, dyna beth mae mor ladron. Captain Morgan's fe, rwm.
Mm.
Another day on the right side of the grass, and oh look, they let me keep the watch.
Very nice, fair dues. Hey, the usual?
Oh yes, please. Eddie made me something called discharge of the light brigade. Oh.
No worries, leave with me.
Fi di cael y rwm na. Kraken coffee rwm. Oh.
Oh, Kraken. Oh, Kraken coffee room.
Fi heb trio hwnna fy hun.
Oh, beth oedd hwnna dweud? Armed robbery, ancient pirate body stolen.
Uh-oh. Okay. Mae dal yn 40%, ond mae'n blasu fel coffi cryf. Ww. Okay.
Nice.
Wel, falle bydd hwnna'n syniad da. Dim yn gallu blasu'r alcohol. Ie, yeah, mae hwnna'n pryglis pam ti methu blasu'r alcohol, achos dwi'n hoffi fel cocktails a pethau felly melys. A maen nhw mor pryglis, because ti ddim, mae fel, fi'n afod fel pop, a wedyn mae fe'n mynd syth i pen. Ond problem sydd â fi fel arfer yw, fi eisiau cwmpo i gysgu os fi'n yfed gormod. O, just cyflym.
Oh. Sorry, just mynd i dweud, dwi wedi bod yn yfed Dead Man's Fingers spiced rum. Recently, just literally dim byd ar ôl.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Oh, fi'n hoffi'r logo a stuff ar hwnna. Mae'n eich yn cool.
Yeah, man, look.
Yeah,
So,
really nice.
quick. Yank it out.
Quick byddwn ni'n dweud. So he's just yn fel plaster.
He just like edrych ar here, just sgrechian cyn gyrru.
Yeah.
And then... Mae'n ffordd da, rwy'n hoffi technique yna.
My god, ar Alwyn yn dweud rhyw fath o gaethiwed I Jaeger ar y foment. Wow. Jaeger bombs efe.
Oh, Jaeger bombs.
Os o'n wyllt.
Rwy'n heb cael Jaeger bombs am oesoedd. Uh-oh.
Aye.
Dwi wedi gwasgu'r button o'n gyfer. Ah! Ah! Turn back!
Welcome explorers to the Smuggler's Tavern, the Pirate's Private Party Palace. This
Sorry, rwy'n nes am fanna.
historically infamous sordid den of
Good old pint o Jaeger. Oh wow. Oh right, nid y bombs, just a Jaeger. Good old pint o Jaeger. Wow.
Oh, just pint o Jaeger?
Fi
Right
byth wedi
heb-
clywed o unrhyw un yn cael e fel
Just-
na. Wow. Made of stone stuff. Dyna ti'n yfed. Wow.
Yeah.
Chwarae teg I ti.
Rwy beth wedi
here we
just
go.
yfed. Wel, actually, no, wedi cael Jaeger ar ei hun, ond dim ond, like, mewn form o shots.
Oh, just fel stout, really. Okay. Oh, fair enough. Bruised banana ball sack. Wow.
Just get about our deal.
He's busy.
Please get him.
I just said he's busy.
Wait, beth sy'n mynd ymlaen? So mae...
Mae rhywbeth am y deal, a mae fe wedi dweud just get him, so fi'n credu taw y perchenog mae fe eisiau. Uh-oh. Pwy yw'r guys
Mae'n
yma?
edrych yn drwg ydi e. Mae'n edrych fel pirate.
Mr. Walsh is off. I'm not selling. I know it's been in your family for 2 years.
Mae'r alwad yn dweud
Think about it. Well, not.
edrych fel stout, blasu fel 35% o alcohol a 56 planhigyn wahanol. Oh, okay.
Oh, ni get involved? Ni mind your business.
Lan I ti. Dim ots o fi.
Get involved, yeah.
Yeah, go on.
I know you're doing everything you can already, but is there anything you can do to just help out a little bit more?
Well, if he doesn't pay any of you this month, he might just scrape by, but what about next month?
Hmm.
Hey, don't worry. You can always be a barmaid somewhere else. It's not the only pub in London.
Oh, okay. Bach yn patronising yn do it.
Mm.
Okay.
Spain, fe'n, like, talu protection money neu rhywbeth. Ydy e?
Rhywbeth. Just
Teimlo
cael y
fel-
teimlo bod rhain yn baddies o rhyw fath.
Oh, yeah.
Bullies. Gangsters falle? Falle gangsters. Poke scratchings. Mae hwnna'n mynd I helpu.
Here, tell this lovely girl,
Woman.
about the dastardly dealings at the Smuggler's Tavern. Come on, Mia, help me out.
Okay. Caps y bus, ie. Be ti'n meddwl?
Na
Get
i'n
to the
helpu'r
woman,
menu,
Cody.
ni just wedi gadael hi mewn y bloody...
Yeah, get to the woman.
Ni just wedi gadael hi mewn yr...
Yeah, mae'n bach yn
Cupboard.
random pan bydd hi just yn aros fanna hefyd. Does dim achos so hi'n gallu siarad Saesneg, mae hi'n siarad Indonesian, so maen nhw
Yeah.
just wedi, mynd i'r menu.
Cocktails between now and 6. Nice.
Nice. Okay.
Beth oedd hwnna?
Just taflu, ti just ddim yn just yn taflu bwyd y pobl. Come on nawr. I suppose mae'n edrych yn fwy dramatic, but... Oh my god.
Hey, Eddie, can you pass me Awesome?
Hey, check this out. See this floor over there? So, she used to date him. And it looked
O, mae'n troi mewn I 5 neu 10 dates nawr.
Yeah.
Classy move, Tony.
Beth nhw'n galw fo? Easter eggs. No. Is that Easter eggs? Yeah. Beth yw wedi hwn ffynnu os byd nhw'n cael un o'r actorion fel
Sci-fi sessions with an unwashed, flaccid ape.
extra.
Look out for that, yeah?
Eddie, the water.
Pam mae fe'n defnyddio'r location fel negatif I hi am y date? O fe wedi dod y
Ie.
date i'r un lle?
Yeah, hwnna'n wir.
Ddim bright.
Sa'n credu mae'r gemau fel hwn, mae'r storyline ddim gorfod wneud synwyr. Mae fe just er mwyn creu fel paths diddorol a cael hwyl. You know, fi'n credu dyna yw'r thing.
But yeah. Mae o probably pobl fel hwnna. Bywyd go iawn.
Yeah. Yeah, but siŵr o fod, yeah.
Wait, did you check the secret spot?
Secret spot?
Secret spot. Of course. Silly me.
Okay.
Why didn't I think of that? The secret.
Pam mae calon ti mor isel?
Calon... What?
Like, ar un gwaelod, right? Dwi'n
Oh.
gallu gweld mae yna fel calon.
Sa'n siŵr o beth nhw'n golygu.
I don't know, falle... Oh, I don't know. Right,
So mae,
anyway.
like, yeah, calon, plant, sword.
Yeah. Sword yw fel ymladd. Hwna fel intelligence, so a deallusrwydd. A wedyn y top un, byddwn ni'n dweud cariad, so
Yeah.
cariad tuag at rhywun. Check secret spot.
Tell skip neu tell... Beth di tell skip yn golygu? Tell them beth.
Am y person, na, just check secret spot. Ti ddim eisiau nhw gwybod am y merch yna, i ti? Neu i ti?
Dim clem. Hynny.
Oh, go on then, go on then. Gweld beth sy'n digwydd.
Nonsense. You bumbling tit.
Oh.
Oh, come on, don't be like that.
Sorry. I just spent almost an hour trying to unclog that massive shit you left in the toilet the size of King Kong's dick. Right?
Whoa.
I'm taking the fall for this.
Are you going to rat me out?
Yes, I am. For both.
Mia!
Okay, roedd hwnna ddim yn...
Hwna...
Hwnna beth... Oh, Christ.
Whoa! Whoa.
Yeah, kicking! Yeah!
Oh yeah, go on then. Go on then, you nutter.
Okay, hyn o ble ni'n mynd I marw wedi.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, kick.
Oh, Jesus Christ. O, ble mae Pirate Woman? Ni eisiau hi helpu ni.
Yes!
Oh, love it. Yes. Come
Cael
on.
nhw! Cymryd nhw allan.
Pow. Oh, nice.
Oh!
Yeah, come on. Yeah. Whoa. Kablamo. Wow, mae'n gwybod ei stuff.
Nice.
Yeah, ready i
Badass.
ffwrdd. Come on. Oh,
Hey.
ffrindiau.
You alright down there, Skip?
I think so.
Call an ambulance, Eddie.
Eddie jyst yn actio fel mae'n rhywbeth sy'n digwydd trwy'r amser, fel, okay.
God, torri'r braich fe.
Whoa.
Na, lladd e.
Ie, ni eisiau gweld lladd e. No way oedd hwnna'n real tie wrap. Oedd hwnna'n just sound effect, like...
Mae rhaid cael y gadget ar ei watch.
Oh, gadget, okay.
Rwy'n like secret agent. Huh?
Beth, mae rhywbeth yn y... Wow?
Obliterated. That's not healthy. Sounds like you've been doing 8 phantoms a week. That's serious. I can fix this.
8 phantoms a week. Ydy hwnna'n rhyw fath o thing am cyffuriau?
Phantoms. Ydy am brand o cigarette?
Oh, falle, falle.
That's another thing that ow to pay for. Oh, yeah? See, if I was 15 years younger, I'd throw you about like an empty tracksuit.
What's this? Gunpowder. And this is why you can't be back here.
Pam byd nhw'n rhoi gunpowder mewn?
I pam nhw cael gunpowder?
Yeah.
I'll see what I can do.
Get some ice on that. There's no signal down here.
I know.
Right, I'll go up and call the police.
Pwy di hwnna?
Beth yn y byd?
Paige gave me the recipe when I was understudying Rum Tum Tugger. She'll be singing High Seas in no time.
Talk to Sebastian neu Skip?
Pa yw Skip?
Skip yw'r dyn hwnna. So fe'n
Yeah.
beer bar.
Okay.
A
Pwy
Sebastian
Sebastian?
yw'r dyn sy'n like, gwneud y throat tonic
Actio.
peth.
Yeah, go on, Sebastian. Mae fe'n fwy o hwyl i siarad gyda.
Eddie's right, you shouldn't be back here. But let me help.
Oh, now you want to help. This little detour of mine could get me fired. What are you doing with that, Skip?
Okay, let's see how good this translation of is.
You're welcome.
Language not recognized.
Okay.
See if you can translate.
Do your thing.
Sinoka, 누구세요? 레하이 빙고, 니스세.
What's this say?
Who are you?
Marshanda Damayanti. Marshanda. I'm Mia. Mia.
Oh,
Mia.
come on.
Mia. Marshanda.
Ah, okay.
Ladies to Shampers.
Police are on their way.
Okay. Gwell gadael. Yeah, sneak her out. Yeah, na.
Pwy di hi? Pam hi'n edrych mor creep... O na,
Mae'n creepy. Mae'n creepy.
hi'n a CIA agent. Ydy hi?
Yeah.
Hi'n a CIA
Ond
agent.
falle mae hi... I don't know. Fi jyst yn teimlo well sneaker hi mas. Be ti'n meddwl?
Yeah, ni ddim eisiau bloody Gary i troi pan ydyn ni.
Na, ddim ar ôl tro diwetha.
Yeah.
Be chi'n meddwl, chat?
O, dwi'n gwasgu fe. Sorry, chat.
Na, pai phoeni.
I told my friend to get in trouble. Can she come with you? Just for a short while? I'll come find her and drinks will be on me.
Absolutely.
Oh.
She needs to go and I'll come find her.
你跟他们走，米娅会来找你。
Go.
Oh dear. Ar hen night.
None of you saw her. Especially you.
Oh.
Supposed to go anywhere until the police. I would buy you shots. I would get you. You can't stop if they're surprisingly strong.
They're surprisingly strong.
Go on then.
Wait, Shin, I can't. I can't leave them.
Oh. Okay.
Wait, what are you doing?
Did you call the police?
Yes, I did. And they are coming to take statements. So everyone needs to stay here.
And what about the ambulance?
Yeah, ambulance too.
We can't have the police coming in.
Huh? Why not?
Shanda, she might be running from something, I think.
For what?
What is she looking for?
Look, there's your murder.
Murderer. There's been a murder.
There's been a murder.
This crest, what is it?
That crest is ancient, and it's been in that building upstairs long before it was a restaurant.
Okay.
Yeah, a modern sign on it.
Yeah.
Try anything apparently.
Na. Rhywbeth lan.
I'm sorry, but we kept this quiet. They've put
Oh
a bid
dear.
in for this place. It's 3
Oh.
times what the place is worth. Maybe she's involved with him.
No. She's not with them.
Then keep her out of sight.
We'll start again. Just can you? I will literally knock you out if you touch me.
Pwy di hyn? Pwy di nhw? Ble nhw di dod o?
Fi ddim yn gwybod. Investigate the wall. Bydden ni'n dweud.
Ond ni angen cifio hi cyn.
Fi ddim yn siŵr. Ond falle, os ni'n investigate the wall, bydd e'n like, tynnu rhyw lever a ni'n gallu mynd... Fi just gyda vibes yna am y game yma, bod e'n...
Yeah.
Bod e rhywbeth fel na, I don't know.
Yeah, hynna'n...
Dyna'r teimlad dwi'n cael o fe, but... Fi'n hapus i mynd. Os ti'n teimlo haid, fi'n hapus. Ond Investigate the War fi'n credu yw'r peth mwyaf cyffroes i wneud.
This way. That war. Oh, wait, what are you doing?
Oh!
Stop! Right, you! Stop your bard! Stop!
The lock.
Oh my good God, that's the hatch. My father used to talk about the hatch to the Orlop River.
What's the lab?
It's, well, he said that there was ancient buried treasure stashed there from hundreds of years ago. He also said he headbutted the King of England. He just drank a lot and talked shite, you know? But, Mia, if that's true, we can go back the bank. Whoa. Let's not be hasty. Let's just open it up and have a little look.
Oh.
Okay. Wow. O, map o ryw fath rai bod e.
Map.
You first.
Okay. Hatch.
Hwna'n... O, rwy'n flin yr awad. Pob look efo hwnna.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
So dwi'n fel ti'n cael eich hun mewn bach o pickle
Trouble
hwnna.
fanna. Yeah, pickle. Yeah, pwy yw'r bobl ma?
Well, that's ruined. You shouldn't be messing about down here.
Why are you so worried? If there's anything
Like-
down here, Skip can pay any debt he has and you win.
O,
Oh, nah.
All we had is a stashed treasure.
Just a load of old dust. Can we at least get those free drinks now?
nhw'n y ddau oedd ar y tŵr.
Ah, okay. Achos falle nhw'n mynd i prynu fe.
Yeah.
Oh, God. What the hell?
Oh!
Oh my God.
No, wait. Mr. Wells, I'm in here!
Shut up.
Wells in here with me, Mr. Wells! There's a chopsy barmaid and some customers. There's 6 of us!
Punch him. Just...
Yeah, just llaw fe.
Crack
Knock
him
him
in the
mas
jaw.
o fe.
No witnesses. Kill them all.
Oh, God! They shot him! He's dead!
Oh.
Skip's dead because of you.
Oh! Oh!
Oh my God, o'n i ddim yn disgwyl hwnna.
Hyn wedi cymryd blwmyn turn.
We just neidio off e.
Oh!
Just gwnewch bach o lofruddiad sy'n bod yn byd yn bod gyda hwnna. Na. Casual taflu rhywun ar spike, yeah.
A ma' nhw wedi lladd
Oh, wow.
Skip.
Yeah.
This was an access point to repair the pipes.
Oh!
Mae hwn yn troi mewn i vibe escape rooms yn dyw e.
Yeah.
Absolutely not.
I agree with him for a change. That's crazy. Hey, Orlap Company. Does that mean something? Mia. It means something to her, okay?
Okay.
What is that?
Oh, what is it? Latin for death or something?
Liberae is Latin for free, and I'm pretty sure Libertatia is a pirate safe haven in Madagascar.
Ah.
So that must be the way up, then, right? The way to freedom.
Ah.
Hmm. Okay. Follow all up. Follow Libertatia. Ah, tricky.
So hi eisiau mynd I all up.
Yeah, bydden ni'n dilyn hi all up.
Yeah.
Achos intuition and all that, efe. Achos mae
Yeah.
gyda hi'r oriawr sydd yn kind of, yeah, dangos ni y ffordd.
Ydy dyn hwnna wedi marw?
A gobeithio.
Yeah.
Mae di'n marw'n eitha cyflym ac yn dawel, surprisingly. Ddim lot o drama o dde. Okay.
Grenade! Oh,
Come
no.
on! O, chwarae teg, oedd hwnna'n... Oedd hwnna'n gyflym, oedd e?
Stop showing off.
Taflu fe syth nôl.
Yeah.
Stop showing off.
Nice.
Yeah, really nice. Come on. Mewn. O, un
Hwnna, un
arall.
arall. Cool.
Oh.
Gobeithio nhw ddim yn taflu un mewn...
Empty. They've disappeared.
I need a... Well. What have we here?
Mae fel cyddwyr gweithaf erioed. Nhw jyst yn adlo lawr ar y llawr. Ddim tu ôl i unrhyw beth. Mae jyst yn cerdded syth mewn. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear.
Well.
Beth yna byd mae fe'n neud.
What have we here?
Redeg allan o battery.
No!
I'm mynd i shifo hwnna lan pen ôl fe. Hwnna'n brilliant. Please. Edrych ar y top o fe hefyd. Pa siop ma fe.
Oh, no! Eto, Twitch, please. Please. Paid.
Oh my god.
Dim ban, please.
Na. It's a penis. Oh my god.
Ydy yn erbyn y...
Na, fi'n credu mae'n ffain. Mae jyst yn rhan y corff, mae'n iawn.
Mae'n lollipop, mae'n ddim yn unrhyw beth arall. Iesu Gris, beth ti'n meddwl?
Oh god. O, pa i dweud o sludge neu rhywbeth?
Dyn hi wedi dod o?
Mae hi'n joio fe. Oh. It's not mine! Hwnna'n brilliant. It's not mine! Oh.
Yep. Ooh.
Ooh, mae hwn yn cool. Dan yr ogof!
Ydy e?
Mae'n edrych fel Dan yr ogof.
O, rhi bod i Dan yr ogof, ond...
O, dyla ti, mae'n eitha cool. Mae'r perchenog yn bach o ffwl, ddo, fi di clywed.
Ie.
Un o'r reina sy'n yn erbyn cymryd i ffwrdd Brecon Beacons o Banau Brycheiniog styli, so... Yeah. Un o nhw, yeah. Ond mae'r actual ogofau yn anhygoel, a oedd yr ogofau yna lot cyn iddo fe dod a bod yn berchenog, so...
Yeah.
Na.
Ydy, parin yw'r un sy'n cael, like, yr dinosaurs tu allan?
Yeah, dyna fe, Dan yr ogof show cifs, dyna fe, yeah. Yeah. Weles i rhywun ar Twitter yn dweud, mae'n gutting achos mae mab fi really'n hoffi deinosoriaid, ond byddai byth yn mynd fyna pan mae fe yw'r perchenog. Ti'n fel, mae'n drist, but yeah.
Yeah.
Ond fi'n deall hefyd achos does ddim byd gwaith na pobl sy'n erbyn fel diwylliant Cymru a stuff. Fi just ddim yn deall e.
Yeah. Os ti'n cysau... Like,
yeah, Ceri rhywun arall i,
like,
set o fyny busnes.
Beth sy'n pwynt?
Yeah. Yeah, yn union.
Dwi'n eisiau bod yn gas, ond like, pam ti am ta? Os ti'n cysau y gwlad? Like...
Yn union. Fi'n credu trust o Mashanda, achos hyd yma, mae wedi mynd yn dda yn dilyn hi.
that way.
You said follow the breeze.
Yeah, like, ti ddim yn mynd I Frank. Ac,
Na.
like, a dweud, o, ydym offi glad hyn, pam ti'n siarad y
Na,
Ffrangeg?
yn union. Yn union.
Like,
It's some sense, is it?
Na. Like, like, beth ti ddim yn mynd I yr Eidal a dweud, o, rwy ddim galw fe Mont Blanc. It's White Mountain.
Na, fi'n galw fe'n... Yeah. Mynydd Gwyn.
Yeah. Pam ti'n newid yr enw?
Yeah. Yeah.
Rwy ddim yn deall, sorry. Rwy methu ffeindio White Mountain. Pam ti'n dweud
Yeah.
Mont Blanc? Rwy ddim yn deall. Ble mae hwnna? Rwy methu ffeindio fe. Beth ti'n hwnna'n golygu?
Oh, anhygoel. Oh, God. Right. Yeah, mae'n just yn nuts yn dyw e. Right.
Oh. O na!
Be?
Yn y ffrind hi.
Oh. Oh, mae'n andrist. Just ddim yn disgwyl hwnna.
Oh.
Oh dear. Mae rhywun yn y Discord, yn gofyn ble mae Super Mario 64 cyfieithiad ni. Ond fi ddim yn siŵr... Ydy ni gyda pinned neu ni wedi newid e ychydig? Oedd arfer bod ar pinned messages, ond fi'n credu wnaethon ni wneud rhywbeth gwahanol
Ie,
gyda...
rwy'n meddwl mae'n dal ar y pinned messages.
Ydy e? Oce, na I trio ffeindio fe. Fi'n ffeindio'r pinned messages.
Lan y top. Gweld y pinned.
Yeah. Oh yeah, sorry. Fi jyst yn bod yn idiot, sorry. Ooh, yike.
Meddwl mae lawr fyna.
Okay, diolch. Oh, come on. Oh, actually, na, ti'n gwybod beth nes I gyda hwnna? Oedd nes I wneud shared thing I Google Drive I. Sorry. Fi'n spoilio'r stori fan hyn am...
Fi ni'n ffeindio fe ar ôl y stream.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. I ffeindio fe ar ôl y stream, yeah.
You go, I fight.
Good idea. She should fight.
Oh.
She's great at it. What do you want from me?
Yeah. She's great at it. Well, good at he point.
Oh yeah, man, a musket. Na, dim musket. Beth I gael nhw? Flintlock?
Yeah.
Flintlock pistol.
Get them out of here.
Oh. Oh wow, mae hi yn ddad am ladd, ar tegwch. Byddai ddim eisiau chwarae o gwmpas gyda hi. Wow. Nice.
Oh, mae'n dal fyw.
Oh, come on! Dim gwaed na dim byd, just yn... They cwmpo ar spike.
Surely bod fe wedi gweidi
allan. Ti ddim yn gallu gweld gwaed, yeah. Na. Oh, wow.
Shot off.
Yeah. Mae Shanda. O na, lan I ti, beth ti'n meddwl? Oh. Oh, sut mae Shanda? Chos edrych...
Ddim really...
Yeah.
Ddim poeni am y pobl arall, yn ni?
Na, mae Shanda yw'r ffordd ymlaen. Stori hi yw e. Come on. Whoa. Just be mae hi'n mynd I wneud o? Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh.
Oh!
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 Oedd ddim angen help.
Oh.
Oh, na.
Oh!
What?
Bit of a blunt sword, ydy e?
Yeah. O na, mae Mashanda mynd I helpu nawr. Bound o wneud. O na, fi ddim eisiau gorffen y gêm fan hyn.
Oh na!
O na! Oh, oh. Oh no, mae'n okay. Mae'n okay, rhywsut. Okay. Wow. Bach o thud fan'na. Oh.
Rwy'n ffynnu pathetic. Ti cael sword. Come on.
Yeah, oedd e'n, ond oedd e just fel prop, oedd e ddim really...
Rusty ass old pirate sword. Ti gallu, like,
yeah.
rwy fe, beth ti gael e? Tetanus? Beth ti, like a rust. No, ti cael all rust.
Yeah, fi ddim yn gwybod. Let's finish this. Finish him. Test your might. Mortal Kombat! Do, 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 do.
Mae can hwnna mor da. Oh Christ. Ni angen trio helpu Rhofys hynny. O, hwnna'n synio fel un nhw jyst wedi cael ei blwbyn seithi. Rwy eisiau lladd fe. Mae'n just poken nhw ar y sword.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Oh wait, mae'n da?
Fi ddim yn siŵr beth sy'n digwydd fan hyn.
Rwy'n mor confused. Rwy'n meddwl rwy'n drwg. Pa wedi fe'n helpu ni nawr?
Fi ddim quite yn siŵr.
We can't get her through that pipe. Not if she's out cold.
Worse than that, there's more of them waiting on the other side.
We have to go. We need to get out of here. We need to follow that breeze.
Tough guys up there.
Yeah, well, we have these.
Got any gun? Left it in the car.
Oh god, come on.
So... Rwy'n fi'n meddwl rwy'n dyn hwn yn drwg. Pam ydy fe wedi helpu ni nawr?
It's going to be okay. We're going to get out.
Hey, listen, you guys. Okay, I found it. Way out. South Bank. I can see Pizza Express. It's this way. Oh, if you would
Pizza Express.
Not to mention the hostage situation. Or all the dead people.
Yeah, dim probs. Dim probs bach.
Get them out. Call the police now, buddy. You're not coming. I need help her. Passcode's 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't check my messages.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4. Really?
Passcode gwych.
Gwych, ie. Ddiogel iawn. Does neb byth yn dyfalu hwnna.
What are you doing?
Oh dear.
I just thought we were really good back there. I didn't know.
No, not really.
Ah.
Ever do that again.
Oh.
Hey, noswaitha, Emrys.
Oh, mae'n nôl. Hey, Emrys! Sut mae'n mynd, boy o?
Os with that.
A big bad.
God.
Bring me the wrist device.
Oh, wrist device. Okay.
Uh-oh.
It still works. We found Red's piece, and of course Marshanda's.
Oh, God.
It's here. Bring our niece and the barmaid to keep her well behaved. Keep the rest here as a bit of extra collateral. If you behave, they'll live. If she behaves, you live.
Oh.
Bring our niece.
Why?
Because I can, and he couldn't.
Is that worth murdering my friends?
Needs
Oh,
must.
God.
And I need her.
Beth oedd hwnna?
I'm sure.
Oh, big ol' whale. Beth yw'r plot yn ffras?
God, question mawr. Mae'n eitha madcap yn dyw e.
Pirates, pirate princess. Roedd hi'n ffrinds efo menyw o enw rhywbeth red. Roedd rhywbeth yn digwydd, roedd hi'n mynd i'r Arctic ac diflannu. Nawr hi wedi codi lan mewn modern day London. Rhedeg o hospital, cael tasers gan y heddlu, a nawr mae'r mob wedi chaso hi lawr mewn, like, abandoned tunnels o dan pub. A mae'r wrist device hi'n cael. Roedd Red yn rhoi ei hi, oherwydd bydd fe'n pob amser yn pwyntio fe hi nôl i hi. So ni'n just dilyn yr wrist.
Mae bendant gyda Goonie vibes, the Goonies vibes. So, chi'n gallu gweld, mae'r actual script yn eitha funny. Yn... Fi'n credu beth ti'n joio fe, Emrys, achos dwi ddim yn cymryd I hun yn rhy o ddifri. Joio fe. Ti just...
Do you remember the order they were in? No. I was keeping an eye on them. Does anyone remember the order they were in?
Oh, brilliant.
Oh, I can't read this shit. This is some dead pirate code.
Ond bydd hi'n gallu. Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Whoa, wait a sec. Sut oedd hi'n siarad Saesneg fanna?
Help
crack the code.
Crack
the code. Crack the code. Achos fi'n credu mae hwnna'n mynd I helpu ni rhywsut.
Ni bod yn helpu hi trwy'r holl peth.
But fi'n credu dyma'r amser nawr I crack o'r code a wedyn bydd hwnna'n helpu hi.
Ti'n meddwl?
Sorry, just gyda teimlo cryf am hwn.
Okay.
Oh! Just gan fe ddim bysau... Oh my god, mae'n horrible, floppy.
Oh no!
Fi ddim yn offi gweld hwnna.
Oh, hwnna'n...
Oedd hwnna'n sick o fe. Ugh.
Hwnna'n mynd trefi. Yes, I mar. Oh! Match the symbols.
Symbols. Match the symbols.
Okay, match symbols. Ti'n a point and click king.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Achos oes dim amser I check o ffôn. Come on, Bat. Gyflym. Gee whiz. Okay. Yeah.
Code breaker. Ni 'di cael achievement.
Come on. Uh-oh. Rhyw fath o poison, neu?
Yes!
Morgan sy'n boi sy'n backstabio ar y 11th hour, so fysa Chwarae yn chwarae yn neud treasure. Whoa.
Does it kill you?
One on harsh, Emrys.
Backhanded gan whale.
Kraken. The Kraken.
Ni yn gwneud.
Oh, wow.
Oh, hwnna'n syniad. Ni gyd yn gwneud escape room.
Oh, bydd hwnna'n good.
Like, stream o fe.
Yeah.
Neu rhywbeth. O just ffilmio fe. Paid...
Ie, ti'n methu neud... Ie, bydd pawb yn gwybod sut i... Bydd yn spoiler fe I pawb, bydd e. Breaking the Magician's Code ychydig fanna.
Rwy'n ni'n gwneud escape room. Cwbl blynyddoedd yn ôl, oedd ni.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Yeah, yn Casnewydd. Yeah. Asshole. Na, asshole.
Ie, ni gallu.
Ni gallu. Bydd y Kraken yn bwyta fe. Oh, go on.
Oh, fe'n mynd I marw ar little island hwnna. Mae'r fingers fe'n mynd I mynd yn infected. Lovely.
Oh, 4 mis wedyn. Okay.
Oh. Beth oedd y cod te? Beth ni di... Strike bar is handed down to employee. Oh yeah, Ruth.
So head to the toilets, empty those bladders before entering Benny's hatch and crawling through the claustrophobic labyrinth of Sebastian's tunnels.
Oh.
Welcome, mateys, to the underground caves of Soho.
Waterproofs are available just through here. It is quite claustrophobic, so you have been warned. No refunds.
Pay for their hearing aids. A buccaneer.
Oh, wow. Oh, God. Buccaneer.
Hwna'n da.
Mae am troi fewn I water zombie a mosod ar pawb yn y diwedd. Yeah.
Water zombie.
Oh, mae hi'n mynd ar fel siwrne rhywbeth. Gobeithio.
This into Gulmane. Very nice. And I've got pictures on my phone and the cloud, so we've got a plan B.
Yo, gole masku.
Nice. Amy?
Thanks.
Oh.
Oh, mae llun o skip ar y...
Oh.
Ar y wal. Oes na ffordd ni gallu cadw fe fyw?
Cwestiwn da. Oedd hwnna fe?
Hey!
Okay.
O na, sosban fach wedyn.
Oh na. Oh Emrys. Does dim ond un person sy'n mynd I wneud hwnna right now. Our end credits.
Sosban fach ar yr end credits.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Diolch Emrys.
Brilliant. Diolch Emrys. Mashup Remix!
Sosban fach, berwi ar y tan. Sosban fach, berwi ar y llawr a car.
Ar gael wedyn o Johnny Rath.
Mae'n ffynnu cool.
Yeah, oedd e'n cool. Yeah, o'n i wedi cyrraedd heb marw neu unrhyw beth, so...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ond roedd y good old skip wedi marw.
Yeah, but... O'n i really poeni am skip. I don't know.
Faint o hyd oedd y playthrough?
Wel, mae'n 9 o'r gloch nawr.
Awr, te?
Awr, ie.
Just o dan awr. Efallai.
Yeah.
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 Just o dan awr.
Yeah.
Oh, Daz Black. That's himself. Yeah. Hafod yn gywir.
Yeah.
Gary. Ti'n beth sy'n digwydd ar y dechrau os ti just, like, troi hi mewn i'r heddlu reit ar y dechrau?
No question, no, yeah.
Ie, hi fan hyn.
Wel, falle dylen ni trio fe.
Ie.
Pam lai? That's good.
Mae'n eng. Os dan sosban fach o'r ffilm.
Yeah.
Story tree. Oh!
Yeah.
I don't know ni. How look at that? So mae yna un... Faint o diweddau? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? 6 diwedd? Ydy e?
Yeah, mae hwnna'n cool. So, beth... At pa pwynt i fynd y cyfeiriad arall...
Oh my gosh, yeah,
Ond ydyn ni skip o loads fan'na.
Yeah, investigate the wall.
Okay.
Nice.
Dwi ti trio, fel, os ni gallu cofio nôl a trio neud yn groes.
Beth? Alright, new game. Rhaid mai sosba fach gorffen nawr.
Oh, diolch.
Yes, mae o'n.
Hey, bonjour. Hoffi, diolch am wneud e.
Yeah. Bonjour, gros. Cailw. Oh my gosh, rwy'n meddwl dweud e. Rwy'n Flin, sorry.
O, na i edrych be mae'n dweud. Bonsoir, mae'n dweud. Gro calw.
Wait, beth di bonsoir?
Gro calw. Bonsoir, noswaith dda. Noswaith dda.
Ydy e?
Yeah.
Pa iaith ydy yna?
O na, bonwi yw... bonsoir yw fel good afternoon, a wedyn bonwi yw good night. So good evening yw bonsoir.
Okay.
Yeah, dyna ni.
Nice.
Yeah. See?
Very cool.
Tygau Ffraneg.
Yeah.
Woohoo. Oh god. Methu neud.
You can call me
Big Stone. Okay.
Nice.
Nes I skip o fe? Just a bit yma, just... Oh, actually, dwi emrys ddim wedi gweld y bit yma.
Yeah.
So
Mae ddim option I skip o.
Okay.
Big Stone. Carreg fawr.
Aye.
Yeah, rwy'n mynd I dweud, game rwy'n chwarae, rwy wedi cwblhau wythnos diwetha sy'n cael, like, loads of different endings arno fe.
Yeah.
Yw'r, beth ti'n cael ei galw? Detroit Become Human.
Oh, yes, yeah.
Really good. Rwy'n really joio y game hwnna.
Really? Yeah, fi di wneud fel ychydig o fe, ond fi heb gorffen e, beth di gorffen e, so mae hwnna'n rhywbeth hoffwn I wneud. Yeah.
Apparently rwy'n cael, like, yr ending really dda.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Good. Mae'n eitha ddwys yn dyw e, a mae lot o fel pethau anodd I,
Ti'n gallu just colli cymeriadau yn y game hwnna. Like,
wyt ti?
Yeah. Right ar y dechrau os ti'n gwneud y dewisiadau anghywir.
Oh, wow.
Rwy'n hoffi hwnna. Rwy'n meddwl hwnna'n, like, really cool. Y ffaith bod ti just gallu, gallu just colli cymeriad right ar y dechrau, newid y holl outcome o'r game.
Yeah.
A'r ffaith bod, like, yr endings mor gwahanol I gilydd.
Yeah.
And really cool.
Mae'n cool. Okay.
Roedd y game hwnna'n really fel interactive movie fath o game.
Yeah.
Roedd fi'n really joio hwnna.
A'r bwys Westminster.
Big
Ben
Ben.
yn y cefndir, yeah.
Big Ben Bong.
Ben mawr. Oh.
Up here, at the top. Stuart! We have one of those homeless again.
O, mae hi'n swnio'n Ffranig, actually, y menw na.
Yeah.
Get Mr. Walsh down here immediately.
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Walsh.
Fe yw'r dyn drwg, Mr Walsh. Wow.
Right, so ydy'r bar hwnna ar y gwaelod o'r adeilad hyn te?
Oh, dyna yw Mr whatever you said, Davy Dogs. Beth yw e? Beth oedd y boi hynna? Hwnna'n Daz Black. Hwnna'n Daz Black, then. Okay.
Pam yn nhw pob tro yn like mae person o'r like amser hir yn ôl yn dod i'r future, nhw'n like bwyto fel anafeiliad.
Yeah.
Mae'n siŵr bod actual person o'r adeg, you know, hi'n dod o. Ddim yn just like...
Yeah. No.
Nhw'n just pobl, nhw'n just bwyto normal.
Yeah. Yeah.
Neu ydi yn like...
Yeah.
Neu ydi yn artistic kind of peth i like dangos...
Fi ddim yn siŵr.
Yeah, i dangos bod nhw'n angen bwyd, nhw'n, you know, hungry neu rhywbeth.
Yeah, mewn llwglyd, yeah. Yeah, falle.
Ond mae hwnna mewn like loads of films, ydy e? Pob ffilm sy'n cael...
Yeah.
Fath o time travel peth hwnna.
Yeah.
Mae'n yr un peth.
Right. Ydy ni'n mynd i ddweud rat o hi mas i'r cychwyn. Mae ddim yn swnio fel syniad da iawn i wneud, but... Gallwn ni.
Perhaps bydd chi'n bito lan y heddlu. Mae eisiau gweld Gary cael ei pwnio.
You know, sometimes I think it's a sign. You know, sometimes I think you want me to lose this bar. I can't afford to get covered in feces.
So tro yma, dwi'n dweud do it yourself, yeah? Trio cofio yn neud... Don't help him, yeah.
So,
don't
ni'n
help
gwasgu help him tro diwetha.
Yeah.
What am I,
So.
expendable? I'm the one you can get covered in shit?
Expendable? You're many things, Mia. You are the glue that holds this place together. You're my right arm. But most importantly right now, you're great at unblocking a toilet. So get plunging. Eh? And just so as you know, it would have been nicer if you'd wanted to help me. Just saying.
Oof. Oh.
Teaser. So ni'n gwybod, mewn y gemau yma, mae yna wastad rai pethau mae'n rhaid er mwyn
Pwy sy'n like gweld
neud y
teaser
stori.
a just pull the trigger.
Oh, I don't speak. Can you speak English?
Right, so tro diwetha...
Classic monoglot answer fe. Ond, ti ar diwedd, mae'n dysgu ieithydd gwahanol ydy hi, so chwarae teg i hi.
Gary!
Gary! Steve! Paul! Jeff!
A woman run through this way.
So tro diwetha ni'n dweud y
Oh.
heddlu mynd I ffwrdd.
Where is she?
How The police. Just yn mynd gorff yn y game. A wedyn bydd hi'n brifo nhw anyway.
Na, di cael bloody achievement o nhw snitch na.
Na. Yeah, ond mae hi'n mynd i bod yn recryf anyway.
No more Gary. Get him.
Aha, see?
Shouldn't waste police time.
But I swear she was here.
Gary.
Fi poeri'r chewing gum mi mas.
Theodore? Look, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Look,
Ooh.
maybe I could have been a little bit more helpful. Let's try this.
Yeah, nawn ni trio wneud y hollol groes I tro diwetha, ie?
Right, so ni ddim yn helpu hi o gwbl tro hyn.
Yn union.
Are you an escaped killer on a violent rampage?
Yeah, go to that.
Let's just get you inside. Hey, there's food inside. Food?
Yn ni gallu... Serve tro hyn.
Yep.
You have to come with me. Come on. Come on.
Come on. Oh.
Yeah, maybe that wasn't the nicest way to deal with her.
Mae game yn just galw ni allan am y dywsiadau hyn nawr.
Oh well. Okay.
Let's get you out of sight, watered and fed, and then decide what to do with you, okay? Can you hide? Hide. You hide? Lindali? Hide, yeah. Hide. Lindali.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, that. Good.
Yes, that good. Get on with it. Come on.
A lively hen party.
Hey. So. Disruptive. Yeah.
The toilets are blocked, don't worry about it. On it, yeah. Oh, okay. Oh,
not cool, me.
What?
Not cool, Mia. Well, then it's just more contrived, are they?
Yeah, it is such a dick move.
Yeah. Not cool, Mia.
Not cool. Just cyffro fe efo plunger, smack our glasses.
Yeah.
O'r dwylo fe. Oh, poor Gary. I forget enw Gary? Na, Gary yw'r...
Yeah. O, fi ddim siŵr pwy yw e, actually.
Plod. Oh, nah. Bloomin' glue sticks. It's not setting, actually. It's not setting to get trying to just like enable skips.
Oh, bydd hwnna'n good.
Nah. Oh. So tro diwethaf roedd ni'n dewis examine the paintings. Ni'n mynd I ddim examine the painting tro hyn.
Yeah.
Come on, we need to get you unhooked from this taser. These things like fish hooks.
Okay. So, ni'n need an araf tro man. A tro diwetha nethon ni'n gyflym.
Pwy sy'n trio tynnu nhw allan yn
Slow.
araf? Hwn yn... Rwy'n fi'n hoffi like a scream cyn tynnu nhw allan.
Yeah. Falle mae'n gwaith i wneud yn araf.
Yeah!
Yeah, I think I understood that loud and clear, and again, I'm really sorry. Right, let's get this a little less conspicuous. Looks good.
Okay.
Let's see.
So, o beth... Well, actually, mae yna cwpl o opsiynau yma. Tro diwetha, nes ti cicio'r boi i safio boi y bar, neu perchenog y bar.
Hey, hey! Ready yourselves for another delightful concoction from London's greatest mixologist. I call this one Succo d'Angelo, Angel Jizz.
Welcome, explorers, to
Angel Jizz. Oh my gosh.
Only just like colli hwnna tro diwetha.
Ie, fi'n credu.
Probably just siarad.
Ie, ni siarad am pethau eraill, ie.
And use of the facilities. Mine's a Brandy Alexander if anyone's buying. No?
Okay.
Rose banana bowl sack.
I need to talk to Skip about our deal.
He's busy.
Ie, ni ddim rili'n cael lot gan hi, ydyn ni?
I just said he's
Yma nhw na, o'n i'n meddwl bydde hi'n fwy pwysig.
Mae hi'n like a MI5 spy agent, yw hi?
Ie, oedd hi ddim yn neud lot, ddo, oedd hi?
Tai lan a dyn ar y llawr, a wedyn...
O, wrth gwrs, ie.
A wedyn diflannu, roedd hi ddim dod lawr yn y caves.
Na.
O, dyma'r bloody gangster.
Baddies.
So beth oedd angen...
selling. Mr. Walsh is off. I'm not selling. I know it's been in your family for generations, but you need to think of how to will not change my mind. Fine. Mr. Walsh.
Mind your own.
Mind your own tro hyn.
Ie, tro yma. Gwbl groes.
So fe'n like enforcer Mr. Walsh te. So pam oedd fe'n troi ar Mr. Walsh yn y caves?
Fi ddim quite yn siŵr. Nes i colli hwnna. Neu falle oedd hwnna ddim yn clir yn y stori.
Roedd ni'n stab o fe. Ar y peth. A wedyn, roedd fe'n troi lan mewn y cave.
Gwthio fe, naeth e cwmpo. Ie, ond naeth e cwmpo ar y spike.
Ond wedyn, roedd fe'n troi nôl lan yn y caves. Roedd ni'n cael ei knock allan. A wedyn, suddenly, roedd fe'n just point a gun ar y dynion, Mr. Walsh.
Ie.
Here, tell this lovely girl, woman about the dastardly dealings at the Smuggler's Tavern.
In the Smuggler's Tavern.
Come on, Mia, help me out.
So tro yma nawr.
So ni ddim yn rhoi hi bwyd.
Ie, heb Sebastian.
Actually, I think we'll find that our resident general knowledge expert knows a lot more than I do.
Oh, so... So ti'n diweddu yn rhan lle anyway, so...
Yeah.
Before the Great Fire of 1666. Lots of nefarious stuff happened right here. I mean, this bar, it's built right on top of the lost rivers and caves of London. All lost. And they rebuilt post-fire, apparently.
To reach your destination, you must leave the shore.
Ah, yes. The maxim of ferocious pirate Catherine Morgan, or Red Cat, as she was known.
Oh yeah, because she had 9 lives.
Cat.
Cat discovered a baby kraken orphaned from its mother. She cared for this crackling, naming her Lucy, a fierce protector of the pirate who raised her.
Well, ni cael lot more backstory efo hyn.
Yeah, ni yn. Sy'n nice.
Red Cat spent years trying to find her friend. Eventually, Cat turned up here. Her last hope was that her friend would follow in her footsteps to the infamous Smuggler's Tavern, known as a black market for trading pillaged riches. Allegedly, she left a trail of clues should Marchanda return to claim her share, before Cat herself became nothing more than legend.
Oh.
The man being shot by Red Cat in the painting bears a likeness to Skip's forefather who owned the tavern at the time, leading many to believe Skip's family were more involved in the sordid deeds of this notorious pirate than we know.
Oh.
Cool.
I'll take two
Good.
of those cocktails, please.
Kraken. It's a nice touch.
My address is not Kraken.
Ah.
Excuse me, don't touch that. It's real.
Yeah, right.
Hey, Eddie, can you pass me water?
Hey, check this out. See this door over there? So, she used to date him.
Oh.
And it looks like they've dragged new dates to the same place.
God.
Why don't you kick this date into phase 2 and just shit off to Nanda?
You shit off to Nanda. Eddie, the water.
They've called down. Delivery's waiting. Been up there for about 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Okay, so tro hyn ni ddim yn trio...
Well done. Another delivery.
Nah, ni ddim yn
like,
helpu.
snitch.
Nah.
The secret spot.
Secret
Oh, check the secret spot. Yeah.
Silly me. Why didn't I think of that? The secret spot.
Check the secret. Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Hey. Where's my drink? I'll talk you around that when I'm sober. Hey, do yourself a favour and drink up, mate. There are benefits.
Yeah, we ordered first.
Like hell you did. I think you'll
Oh,
find
God.
Oh.
Get the delivery, screw the customers. Rather than...
Mae hwn yn lan I ti nawr, ni yn uncharted
Yeah.
territory, so... Cers I am yr un yma, na I cael yr un nesa.
Yeah.
Except sometimes that maybe she doesn't get. Did she offer to do this?
Cael, like, hanner diod dal fyna.
Hey!
Okay.
Secret spot my ass.
Away!
Ah, mae di marw.
Someone's trashing the bar. I'll go up and call the police.
Oh, nath hi helpu anyway. Ah, so...
Yes.
Okay.
So ni di colli hwnna, basically.
Yeah. Ti'n fine. Os ni di gweld e tro diwetha.
She's not dangerous. You don't have to call the police.
The bastard phone's on the fritz again. She would have kicked the shit out of Carg's Vengeance. Probably fucked my high score too. So if you ask me, she deserves a life sentence.
Oh my god. Mae'n cheesy yn dyw e. Oh my god. Keep you cool?
Ni'n bod yn dick, ydyn ni, ar a run for him.
Yeah. Okay, be assertive
Ynddi?
then. Yeah, go on then. Nawn ni neud fel dom, like, yeah, pethau really cryf trauma.
The only reason you had that high score is
O na, ni bod nes i fe! Pam ni bod yn gas I fe?
Edward. Put the phone down.
Well, I'm glad you got your priorities straight.
But bynnag sy'n digwydd, mae'n torri llaw. Fe.
The restaurant upstairs. They've been trying to buy me out, and they sent some thugs to convince me to sell. And they'll try anything, apparently.
The slugs have pushed past me.
Did they hurt you?
No, they didn't. They just pushed past me. But Colin said that someone upstairs was trashing the place.
Collins wasn't there. They did this in my office. Where is Collins?
I went to call the police, just a coincidence, but it looks like my new homeless friend got very frustrated with the arcade machine.
Oh, homeless. Mia. Again, the homeless thing. You
Oh.
have to stop giving homeless people free stuff. We're skint.
Okay, right. The police are on the way. Nobody's allowed to leave.
I think I might be able to translate what she's saying.
Doesn't matter if you can translate it. Her voice sounds really messed up.
Well, let's help her out, eh? I'm sure you picked up some soothing remedies from your day's trend boards.
Oh, yeah, hi. You one. Just give me. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Give me a second, We'll knock something up.
Oh, hey, I'm the mixologist round here. Now piss off.
Relax, Eddie. You might learn something. Is this pepper?
Gunpowder for the swivel gun. This is why you can't.
Well, she's either been speaking too
for
much
the
or she's
swivel
spoken
gun.
for a very long time. Either way, this should help her out after just one glug. Now look.
Okay.
Old recipe of my mother's. It's called Revenge is Sweet.
Language recognized.
It works. Bungle speak out.
Almost suck from inside my hot mouth, homeboy.
Shit. Who are you?
¿Quién eres?
What's it say? Marshanda Damayanti. Marshanda.
Marshanda. I'm Mia. Mia.
Yes.
Mia. Marshanda.
I'm Megan. Come on, girls, let's go.
I'm Megan.
I'm Megan. Hello.
Well, you can tell the police they should have got here faster if they wanted to stop us.
No, absolutely not. No one's to leave. They were very clear.
Get out of my way, or I will deck you. And I'll be buggered if you or anyone in this place is going to stop me, you pathetic little shit.
Whoa.
Oh. Wow.
Fair enough.
Yep. Ta-da. Okay. Threaten ni mynd am cryf tro ma, ni?
Rwy'n bod yn gas I pobl. Maen nhw mor neis.
Oh, tough.
If you don't, I'll let on that you have a deal with Skip, that you bring a little tour group here every week to earn a little bit of extra coin.
I'm a very good tour guide. And you're very bad at blackmail. Sort it out yourself. Come on, you lot. We're moving on. Tough love isn't a good look for you. I'm your friend.
Oh.
Oh.
That's it. Nobody else is leaving. I know you. I'll find your name. I'll report you.
I appreciate any discretion you have to offer. I'm very happy to cooperate.
Huh?
Good boy, Bilbo.
It'll be alright, okay? Because Collins will probably come looking for you. When he does, and he comes in here, I'll just say, I was fixing up the place. You have no idea what I'm saying. Alright, okay, just you stay and hide. Oh, stay.
Okay, cuddio. To reach your destination, you must leave the shore.
Sound like the police.
Oh, of course. Obviously my heb galw are actual heddlu ydy e? Or of my fen are enforcer.
Yeah.
Well, look who it is.
Sorry, fellas, it's occupied.
What, you powdering your nose? Get in here.
What?
You powdering your nose.
What?
Uh-oh.
Beth yn y byd. Wow, man, mynd yn tywyll yn gyflym.
Wel, to therefore, rwy'n ni'n mynd trwy'r twll yn y wal, wyf ni?
Yeah.
A rwy'n nhw'n bloody seithi pobl pryd rwy'n ni'n cuddio.
Mia!
Beth yn y byd. Mae'n gallu gweld yr oriawr arna hi.
Told you she was there, boss. That's her.
Oh, yes.
I want you all out of my bar.
Get out of my pub.
Right now.
Okay. Eddie Guerrero. No. Don't go for Eddie. Eddie, just Eddie. Oh. Pam Gwydir. So. Oh my god. Really?
Do you want to get the fuck out of here?
Light the fuse!
Light the fuse, light the fuse, light the fuse, light the fuse. Come on.
Blast him.
Oh my god. Mae hwn yn crazy.
Oh, come on. We should blast him. Pam, have you ready for?
Yeah, mae angen rhywun kind of dale, so mae fe'n seithi. Oh, wow. Relight my cannon. Oh.
Oh! Oh! Oh my god!
Dwi'n mynd syth trwyddo fe. Oh, mae hwnna'n ridiculous effect. Mae fel gwydr, reflective. Ti'n gallu gweld hwnna? Mae fel sequin. Oh. That's live still happy. Translate happy yn gweithio. Oh. Kill them all. Oh! Oh, o'n i'n dweud, mi'n gallu reslo. Ooh. Ooh, yes. Go on. Oh, no, stupid, man. Swap on 3. Oh, mae'n troi mewn I Home Alone. Ti'n fel y slapsticks. Oh. Come on, then. Oh, hwnna'n proper Home Alone fanna. Oh, wow. Be mae hi'n neud? Mae just really...
Mae hi just yn lladd rhywun, so mae hi'n probably traumatised.
Di. Help Sebastian.
Yeah.
Os mae rhywbeth yn dweud fi, mae Shanda yn sorted. Uh-oh.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Yeah. Like, yeah, fi'n gweld ti. Ti gyda sylw nawr.
Oh!
Oh. Oh, God.
Oh!
Oh, shoot.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, mae hwn di...
What?
A lot llai o bobl di marw trwy'r diwethaf.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright. Oh!
Centuries ago, you know that. Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes. Yes. Come on. Ti angen y crowbar, though, surely.
Oh. Mae'n un ffordd fi agor y wal.
Oh.
Oh no!
Oh my God,
Eddie!
Lladd pawb nawr. Ydy.
Skip!
Oh. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, mae lots fwy o pobl wedi marw.
Lot fwy o drama tro yma. Lot mwy o bobl di marw.
Yeah.
Kinda. Actually, ti di gweld y ffilm ar Netflix, The Escape Room?
No.
Dyla ti? It's not too bad. It's not the best, ond...
Yeah.
Ond mae'n gwerth gwylio. Just...
Very like...
Adventure
film neu horror film?
Na, mae'n kind of like... Meddwl am Squid Game.
Yeah.
Ond mewn film mode. Ond ddim mor dda Squid Game. Ond watchable. Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Right.
Go see what's in there for me.
No, thank you, Mr. Walsh.
No, thank you, Mr. Walsh. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yes, sir, Mr. Walsh, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shoved him in.
Yeah. Oh. Oh na, sut ti'n mynd i gwybod beth yw'r passcode, like? Oh. Oh! Whoa!
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Mae hwn yn gymaint o pobl wedi marw nawr.
Mae'r fersiwn yma, proper... Mae di... I don't even think it's PG. Fel o ti'n dweud o'r blaen. Mae just...
So sut ni'n actually gallu lladd y dyn hyn, ta?
Fi ddim quite siŵr. Fi'n credu y teimlad yw gyda'r gêm yma, ni ddim yn gallu lladd ein hunain, ond mae pobl eraill o'n gwmpas yn gallu marw.
Let's lock it up. Try shooting it. Oh yeah.
Oh yes. Oh my god. Oh.
Oh! Are ni wedi marw tro hyn?
Mae wedi. Mae wedi.
Oh, mae'n un spot o ble fe'n cael ei stabbed.
Yeah.
You shot me!
Uh-oh. Ie, ond wnaeth e cwmpa spike tro diwetha.
Ie.
A oedd e dal di byw, so...
He's updating. Yes, muskets. Very bad.
What do they want with her?
There's nowhere to run. You should...
Ah.
Is there anything
Oh,
we
mae
can
wedi
do
marw,
to
wedi?
keep your boss happy?
It could be a way out.
Be assertive.
Absolutely not.
No, I agree with him for a change. That's crazy.
So dyw'r wal ddim yn option tro yma. Oh.
Hmm.
Whatever he's after, you're expendable.
All I'm saying is, they think something's stashed here.
Oh. O, dyna pam maen nhw eisiau prynu'r restaurant.
Yeah.
Bwyty. Yeah, y bwyty.
Wel, nhw'n byr y restaurant. Yn barod. Yn nhw.
Na, a pobl drwg fi'n sôn am.
Yeah, nhw'n byr y restaurant.
Ydyn nhw?
Yeah, nhw'n y pobl sy'n trio prynu allan y bar. Yn y basement.
Ah, y bar, okay.
Mae'r fen Mr Walsh. Fen Mr Walsh ydi e.
What? Lladd nhw. Oh.
I'm not hearing any bangs.
Ooh.
We have a winner.
Oh.
Who'd you shoot, eh? I hope you're not wasting rounds in there.
No, no. Safe, yeah! Come on! No! Safety there, please.
Nath hi pigo fe fyny. Okay, good. Good, good. O'n i'n poeni oedd neb di pigo hwnna fyny. Oedd option i defnyddio'r ffôn, actually, yeah.
It's not a language in the app. Maybe you can have her say something and it'll translate that.
Can you read this? Read it. Yao da mu di di. Nin bi shui ki hai hai an.
To destination advance. Coast departure urgent.
No, I think I get it. It's
Oh.
red symbols written in some coded language.
So ni'n mynd i Libertat.
Yeah, trauma.
Tro un.
Yeah.
Libertatia.
Liberae is Latin for free, and I'm pretty sure Libertatia is a pirate safe haven in Madagascar.
So that must be the way out then, right? The way to freedom.
Go on. Yeah, true on that. Am I? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What?
Wel, ni angen mynd mewn y pibell.
Oh, right. Okay, just efo cyfeiriad.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So, os mae'n mynd nôl neu ymlaen. Ah, hynna, comedy moment fan hyn. Oh, oedd hwnna'n doniol. No.
Okay, so
mae dyna diwedd o fe.
Fe wedi marw trwy hyn.
Yeah, benda. Exit stage left. Mae boi na di marw.
Yn hoffi yna. Comedy moment.
Oh, here we
just
go.
kind of chwathi funny.
Now, what is the deal with that room?
Ooh.
Well, how would I know? I've never been in there. And besides, I'm way too hench to fit through that shit. It's a fucking hatch. What do you want?
What we want is
Oh,
the
God.
girl. Something she has, a little wrist device, and what she can find with it. But the chief concern
Okay.
is where they could have gone because they're not in there.
I think this one may be able to work it out.
Me? What makes you think that?
Call it a hunch.
Ah, Indiana Jones. Oh, come on.
It's not my hat.
It's not my hat. Na, ni'n gwybod. O, mae hwn yn newydd.
What happened to that guy?
Ooh.
I think we need a key to
Ah.
Oh, Joe!
Well, what do we do?
We leave.
Wait,
I don't
pwy sydd wedi chwaffi fyny?
Joe, why here?
Beth?
Pwy oedd fe chwaffi fyny?
Y dyn yna, y bad guy, efe?
Oh, efe na bad, cos o rwy fi'n meddwl...
Yeah.
boyfriend.
Na, y dyn drwg, Oedd barod wedi cael ei seithi.
Oh, good. Fe wedi marw at last.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Mynd mewn i'r golau. Mynd mewn i'r golau. Do it.
Beth, open the door.
Mynd mewn i'r golau. Go on.
Wait, it could be a trap.
Booby trap. Here we go.
The door was booby traps.
Ah.
Let's try the other direction. Yeah.
So, mae hi di marw nawr. Fi'n hoffi sut mae'r pobl eraill just non-plus fel, oh well.
Yeah.
Hi di marw, ta-ra.
Fe fan are just absolutely traumatised.
Dim sgri-
And they're like, what? Bye! That's really your form arall.
With the right symbol. There are numbers on the door. So, shot in the dark. The symbols on the key match the symbols on the boxes, which match the numbers on the door. Turn the key and not end up like...
Yeah, mae rhywbeth yn dweud y ffydd oedd hwnna ddim yn acupuncture.
I'll take this one.
Oh, na.
I'll put them in there.
I found mine.
Okay. Ah. O, mae'n mynd i marw. Oh! Oh,
Rip.
classic.
Right, ni'n lawr I tri, phobl. Ni'n gollwng fel blymyn flies.
Oh.
Phone can help us.
Oh, yeah, just cymryd I ffôn I. Go on then.
Rip Megan.
Yeah, sorry.
What's the code? Come on.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Rip
Oh, beth yn y byd?
Phone is disabled, Ripperoo.
She was right.
Huh?
The symbols on the key match the boxes. No, but that doesn't make sense. It's the right symbol. Son of a bitch, they're mirrored. Every symbol has an exact opposite.
Uh-oh.
If it's right, this mirrored version is the one.
Pam.
Yeah. Maya, but... Alright. Okay, pedwar. Y rhif pedwar. Beth maen nhw?
Mae hwn yn pa ochr mae'r ochr hwnna yn mynd i'r, ie?
Ie. Nhw angen troi i'r pedwar.
The flips.
Mhm. Keep searching.
Keep searching, ydy e?
Yeah, keep searching fi'n credu. Because fi'n credu... Mirrored. Am sut mae'n gwybod pa un yw'r un...
Sorry, there's no time.
Oh, falle hwnna'n mistake.
Beth sy'n mewn e?
This is it.
Beth sy'n mewn e?
Uh-oh.
Yes.
Dau, okay.
Rwy'n fi trio gwneud ti jump off hwnna. Rwy'n like, literally ddim hyd yn oed.
Na.
Rwy'n ddim hyd yn oed. Flint o'n i dim byd.
Na, dim byd o gofal, na.
Oedd fe dod trwy disgod?
Na.
Oh, come on disgod. Rwy'n fi'n sgrechian.
Fi'n credu naeth e mute ti. O ti mor uchel, naeth e mute ti. Os nes i ddim clywed ti'n dweud unrhyw beth.
Rwy'n fi'n sgrechian mewn i'r mic.
O, dde ddim di dod trwy ar Discord I fi, anyway.
Sorry, unrhyw yn y chat. Rwy'n trio gwneud... Rwy'n trio... Oops. Keep searching?
So keep searching a try matching symbol box.
Yeah. Try matching symbol box?
Yeah, go on, trio fe.
I'm sure this can't be right.
O'n i'n mynd I marw. Pam ydi hyn am glass?
Yeah, exactly. Oh my gosh. Trio eto. Gobeithio o just a point yna, though. Neu... Na, try... Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, diolch beth.
Pam ni methu skipio, like, y scenes ni wedi gweld?
I know.
Sorry, there's no time.
A capieto. Mia! Come on, Mia!
Please be right.
Yeah, dau, ni'n gwybod, yeah.
Oedd fi'n gwneud ti jump o tro hwnna?
This should be the last one.
Oh.
Na, sorry. Ti'n gwybod pan ti'n sgrechian? Mae rhywbeth ar Discord sy'n stopio fi clywed.
Rwy'n fi'n trio gwneud e'n dewol tro hwnna. Rwy'n fi'n just mynd...
right, na.
Rwy'n fi'n just mynd...
Oh, okay, na. Weird. Right, okay, tro ma'n ni'n gwybod beth yw e ddim fod, so...
Try matching.
No, try matching. Keep searching. Yeah.
I should have explained to Mashanda. She could have helped.
Methu siarad yr un iaith. Sut ti'n mynd
Iaith.
i...
Ond mae'r
esbonio fe?
app... Na. Check the skeleton. Go on.
What's that?
Yeah. 6.
Neu
Neu 9.
9.
Because he found it.
They're coming, quick.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Wait, oedd hwn yn yr...
Person da?
Na.
Yr actor?
Hwn yn yr... y timer hwnna. Hwn yn y timer o'r box ar ei diwedd.
Oh, yeah.
Working on it. We're trying to work the door. Must be faster. They're coming. I'm trying to figure out if it's a 6 or a 9. It's 6, obviously. Are you sure? Yes.
Yeah, hwn yn y timer o'r box.
Yeah.
Just wedi ail defnyddio'r footage. Oh!
Stop. We have to get out of here. Shut up. We're all gonna die.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, great. Ni wedi dod allan mewn street. Pam!
Yeah.
Beth oedd y pwynt o'r ystafell hwnna?
Fi ddim yn gwybod. Ond mae'n syth mas.
Go to the police and tell them what happened.
Funny though.
She saved my life. I don't think the police will... I don't know. I don't want to draw attention to her. But we need to go back and get Eddie. That's crazy. Well, we have Colin's gun and her.
That's crazy.
We'll be alright.
Yeah. We'll be alright. Okay. So mynd i llwyddo i dod right round. God. Okay.
Mae ti
Ma'
o'n
pobl
bar.
drwg dal am...
Pwy di fe?
Pwy yw... Beth yna? Beth?
Oh, God.
Beth? Oh my god, mae fe'n proper... Oh. Sneaky.
What about my children?
As if.
I see you brought the gun back for me.
Have we got just dewis i safe there, please?
Ladies.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, pwy fe?
Oh.
Nominative determinism personified, though he's more of a forensic magician. An expert at making things disappear.
Oh dear.
Oh, very
Safe
good.
i joio nhw then. Oh my god. Oh, come on. Oh, that's brilliant.
This must be a warning shot.
Your warning shot's got to be a knob.
Oh, that's brilliant. Oh god.
Not happy. I am not happy.
I'm sorry. Did you want a beer with that, you son of a bitch?
Pa'n gwastraffu bullets?
Yeah, pam beth ti'n neud hwnna?
Two bad guys, one bullet. What's the plan?
Oh my god.
Fydd na un mewn y chamber. Ti di cymryd y...
Yeah.
Ti di cymryd y... Okay.
Yeah. Mae hwn yn troi mewn i Scooby-Doo nawr.
Explosive!
Go explosive. Yeah, ni wedi gaddo. Byddwn ni'n neud hwn.
Can you mix up something a little Molotov-ish?
Cocktail.
Molotovs!
Yes! Ish. Fi'n hoffi Molotov-ish.
Molotov-ish, you know. Just tipyn bach o tan.
Yeah.
Dim lot. Just...
Okay, kids.
I've got just the thing.
Nee.
Lots of money. We just need your new
Money.
Money!
No deal. Hyn yn mwy of cadr ni lli bod.
No deal, dickhead. some in it. Quite like flex or something.
Beth am y Molotov?
Yeah, ble mae'r bloody Molotov? Oh.
Oh, seriously?
Go on, seithi'r Molotov.
Oh my god.
Oh. Ah, bollocks.
Ah. What? What? Oh, my safety here.
Oh!
Oh, mae'n bwrw'r Molotov! Oh, nice. Oh, wow. So, di hwnna'n diwedd arno fe?
Na, mae'n mynd I dod nôl fel Two-Face.
O, wrth gwrs. A flipio'r coin, ie. Yeah. Darn arian.
Oh!
Oh,
Never mind.
My god.
Mae ddim yn dod nôl fel Two-Face.
Oh, na, dwi ddim yn gwybod.
Mae'n troi mewn I just mush.
As if mae Molotov yn neud fel... Hwna'n fwy fel... I don't know, sulfuric acid neu rhywbeth. Hydrochloric acid neu... I don't know.
Nawr ni just gallu waltz o lawr i'r box.
Next time, just...
Never mind.
Oh. Okay.
Explosive hyn.
Wow!
Sick.
Wow.
Roedd pawb wedi marw, ond y tri ar y diwedd.
Tri ni'n hoffi, so mae'n ffain. Oedd hwnna'n eitha funny, though, achos...
Yeah.
Mae'n funny sut mae hi'n dweud right ar y diwedd, o, fi really eisiau mynd fan'na, a dwi'n na, ddim nawr.
Na, screw your treasure.
Fi angen mynd i'r ysbyty, mae'n newydd seithi fi.
Ni di llawer o pobl. Ni angen mynd.
Yeah, exactly.
Ni troi y owner o'r restaurant mewn I blymyn mush.
Yeah. Oh, funny.
So pa story
right,
tree?
Story tree.
So...
Okay. Eithon ni fan'na.
Right, so hwnna'n ble mae'r merge hwnna yw check the secret spot neu mynd lawr I grisiau dweud o skip. Yna bod ni'n bod yn dick I fe.
Yeah.
Light the fuse. Blast o'r tyllau mewn i'r dyn hwnna.
Yeah. Assertive. Fall all up. Bydd hwnna wedi mynd yn ni ffordd arall.
Ni'n go explosive.
Ond, ni wedi cyrraedd kind of... Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Tybed beth oedd y deal diwedd, glod te? Os rwy'n ni'n...
Yeah.
Dweud, oh, actually, what's the deal? Let's cael yr arian.
O, falle bod nhw wedi dal double cross y ti ta beth, so... Yeah. Ah. Oh, okay. Diddorol.
Nice.
Diddorol.
O, roedd hwnna'n cymryd, like, tia awr hefyd.
Tia awr, yeah.
Yeah, yr un peth.
Yeah.
Yr un amser.
Yeah. Mae'n diddorol i fe. Mae'n cael y balance rhwng fel stori a dialogue a adrenaline. Chwarae fe'r ail tro, o'n I ddim yn meddwl, oh my god, beth sy'n mynd I digwydd. O'n I just fel... Ond achos mae'r plot bach yn far-fetched, mae'n neud I chi feddwl...
Yeah.
Ble chi'n gallu mynd gyda fe? I don't know.
Yeah.
Fe sy'n gwybod pan chwarae ni'r night shift neu late shift neu beth bynnag oedd e, pob tro gyda hwnna, o'n I kind of mewn I fe, meddwl, oh yeah, ni'n gallu... Yeah. It's okay though. Dwi ddim yn dweud bod e... Ond fi jyst yn teimlo dwi ddim quite gyda'r un kick.
Yeah, mae'n
tricky ydi, achos either ti'n bod yn really comedic a fel... beth yw'r un mae Emrys wastad yn siarad am complication neu contradiction. Ti'n mynd lawr o hewl yna. neu ti'n neud e fel thriller, fel late shift. Ond mae hwn kind of yn y canol, a fi'n credu mewn ffordd mae'n dal e nôl. Achos dwi e ddim quite really funny, a dwi e ddim quite thriller. Mae rhywle yn y canol sydd ddim i fi yn taro'r fe'n gywir. I don't know.
Ti'n bach yn fyr.
Be ti'n teimlo, o?
Ti'n bach yn fyr.
Ie, mae'n bach yn fyr, yn dwi e.
Beth oedd y peth yn y treasure box ar y diwedd o'r run gyntaf?
Ie, fi ddim yn gwybod.
Ni'n cael gwybod.
Neb yn gwybod. A naeth nhw just gadael wedyn. Ie.
Neu oedd e'n treasure map i'r treasure.
A falle. Mae'n yn ei synwyr, a mae hi wedi dysgu Indonesian.
So, falle ie, hwnna pam maen nhw'n mynd I ffwrdd ar y diwedd.
Ie.
So
nhw'n gallu mynd i'r lle, neu hwylio, falle nhw'n mynd I mynd I hwylio ar y llong a dilyn hanes.
Ie.
Cyn deidiau nhw.
Ie.
Pwy a wyr. Falle. Wel, dyna ni.
Ie, wel,
dyna ni.
Short but sweet.
Yeah, short but sweet. Yeah, hwnna'n teg.
Yeah.
Hwnna'n teg. Yeah.
What a hwyl.
Yeah, a digon nawr, achos ni'n gallu mynd I gysgu amser arferol, a ddim bod yn rhy hwyr, achos gyda gemau fel hyn, os nhw'n mynd ymlaen, nhw'n gallu, diod, oedd e'n gweithio, ni'n gael 2 rediad, a ddim yn cramo fe mewn, so oedd e'n good.
Yeah. So os ti'n gwylio hyn a ti eisiau'r gêm, mae'n ar Steam. 10 pint. So, ceri prynu e. Beth ti gael? Support yn Cymraeg.
Cefnogi Wales Interactive.
Diolch.
Daplygwr o Gymru sy'n fodlon wneud fersiynau Cymraeg o gemau. A gobeithio byddwn ni'n gallu dangos chi bach o scare ritual pan mae hwnna'n cael yn Gymraeg. Achos ni'n hoffi chwarae'r gêm na, so mae hwnna'n project dros y haf yw hwnna, ond byddai'n bendant yn gwythio ymlaen gyda hwnna dros yr wythnosau nesaf, so edrych ymlaen.
Hwnna'n exciting.
Definitely cyn mis Medi. Dyna'r nod, anyway.
Nice.
Ond, cool.
Awesome. Diolch am gwylio pawb. Gobeithio ti di joio. Ac, God i gyd yn y stream nesaf.
Noswaith dda.
Hwyl fawr.
Ta-ra.